Want to help students write stronger literary analyses? Try the TIQA strategy. A clear, structured approach to building analytical paragraphs. T stands for topic sentence. Start with a sentence that introduces the main idea of the paragraph. I stands for introduce the quote. Give context. What's happening in the story and who's speaking? Q stands for quote. Include a relevant quote from the text as evidence. A stands for analyze. Explain how the quote supports the topic. Focus on specific words or ideas. TIQA helps students move beyond summary and into deeper analysis. It's perfect for middle and high school literary responses. Ready to help students write with insight and structure? Try TIQA.